My name is Professor Joe Pesek, and I'm the inventor of Cogent Type C Silicon-Hydride phases. From the beginning of their development, these columns showed us that they were unique and could be the inception of a new phase for HPLC, making data less expensive and easier to obtain. The character and benefits of these columns have been shown over the last 15 years to be remarkable for long lifetime, faster to equilibrate than ordinary columns, and able to retain polar compounds with remarkable precision and with little buffer use. I'm sure you will enjoy using these columns and will get plenty of great data from them. HPLC, particularly in combination with mass spectrometry, has become one of the most important analytical techniques available to a large number of chemists and other scientists. Analyses span a broad range of applications such as biotechnology, pharmaceuticals, forensics, food quality, clinical measurements, and chemical product development using instruments such as the one you see behind me. A variety of Cogent Type C columns are available as tools for solving challenging analytical problems in these and other fields of application. To illustrate the utility of Type C columns in a simple practical analysis, histamine in red wine is determined on a Cogent column, the diamond hydride. Histamine is known to cause allergic reactions in many people. This column is used because histamine is very hydrophilic and the diamond hydride is particularly effective for polar compounds. First, we will demonstrate the sample preparation used for this analysis. A known amount of red wine and buffer are added to a sample vial. The sample is now ready for injection into the HPLC MS instrument to analyze for histamine. The data obtained for this analysis is illustrated in the following series of extracted ion chromatograms at the exact mass for histamine. The first chromatogram is the data obtained for a red wine sample where the winery claims to have low levels of histamine. As seen, there is considerable background noise in this data, but not any distinct peak for histamine. The second chromatogram is a standard histamine sample used to identify the retention time of histamine. The third chromatogram is the sample used in the first analysis, but spiked at the level of 10 parts per million histamine. The last data proves the winery's claim that its red wine is low in histamine, since the 10 part per million spike provides a strong signal in the wine matrix. Due to the unique composition of Cogent Type C columns, the three analyses are shown done consecutively with only a 3-minute re-equilibration time between injections. Our second example is the analysis of critical polar metabolites that are part of the uric acid cycle. Shown in the first figure is a comparison of the optimized data obtained on two different columns, the diamond hydride and the Cogent diol. This data illustrates the importance of proper column selection. While the diamond hydride can retain these analytes adequately, separation is much better on the diol column. Two of the critical analytes are 6-aminouracil in black on the DH and then on the diol in red. And the second, allantoin, first in the DH in black and then on the diol in red. The last panel is an overlay showing the superior separation of the diol in red versus the DH in black. The second set of results is a series of repetitive injections of the sample analyzing uric acid in urine, with a 3-minute equilibration time between runs. The first injection is the standard, followed by 3 urine sample analyses. As shown, the retention times of the consecutive runs are virtually identical. This is another important feature of the silica hydride phases when analyzing polar compounds, and such precision, usually 0.2% or less, is generally not possible by other chromatographic methods used for the determinations of hydrophilic analytes. I hope that you've enjoyed this short presentation about our Cogent Type C columns. They are being used in laboratories around the world. from determining food composition in South America and the United States, to pharmaceutical analyses and medical investigations in Europe, the United States, and Australia. For more information, or to order our columns, please contact us. Our contact information is in the notes below the video.